Hello everyone and welcome back to Painting with Martin. I'm back with another unboxing video, and today we're taking a look at a game called Neon. It's published by Hobby World, and I was approached by Hobby World in Essen Spiel last year, and they asked me if I wanted to paint this game because it has miniatures, and I said yeah, absolutely, I'll love to do that. So that's what's going to come up in the pipeline in the next coming weeks. I really wanted to take a look at this one, but I also want to show you guys what the game is about, and also a little bit what it looks like inside the box. This is a box. This is a game, as I said, published by Hobby World, and it's designed by Igor Skluyev and Ekaterina Gorn. I hope I pronounced those people's names correctly. If I didn't, please let me know in the comments so I can learn something new. Now, Neon is, I believe, set in the kind of like in a near future world, and as it looks like, it looks pretty good. So let's see what's in the box, shall we? So I'm going to take a look at it here and see what's. I'm going to open the plastic here. Let's see here. Hopefully I don't drop the game. Here we go. Some nice. Sorry, a little bit off camera. Take off the plastic. I'm going to put down the game as such. Now, let's see here if we can see what's in the box. This is the card art. It looks like this on the side, slightly damaged from the shipping here, unfortunately. Otherwise, fairly normal. I'm going to put this one aside for a moment. And of course, we've got the rulebook. Some nice card art here on the swell back. It's really nice for me as a miniature painter looking at this. Looks quite well written. Nice with nice examples, detailed. All in English, really good. Game overview, setup, fairly standard. Nice, decent quality rulebook. We've got some punch out sheets, some map tiles, I believe. Let's see a little bit more what is in here. Can we open this somehow? Do we need a knife? Let's see here if I can find some way to open it. Oh, yeah, there we go. Easy, it was from the side. So putting this one aside for a moment. Let's see here. We've got a park, some kind of factory, more punch-out sheets. Oops, something coming out loose here. I'm going to keep this aside. Highway charging station. Oops, very coming out. Subway. Let's take this one out here instead. And some more map tiles. I believe it is. Oops, something like this. Should not have done that. So we're going to leave this one aside for a moment, make sure that it's kept in place. And of course it was punched out automatically, which was not my intention. But in doing so, standard, fairly good quality cardboard. Nothing flimsy here at all. We've got some extra plastic, bags. Really nice to come in handy if you don't have an insert. Some really cool looking dice, like neon colored, and also I like that it's not always like 1 to 6, even though there's nothing wrong with that, but I like when you actually roll it, you actually get a different symbol than just a standard D6. We've got some, I don't know what this is, like some kind of clips. We've got plenty of cards. Nice card art, I really like that one here. It also says something like up here, some kind of like effect down here as well. Nice, good quality cards. Standard card size, I believe. Ooh, these I like. Nice, kind of like weapon sheets here. Now let's see if I can open this one. I'm not that great with opening cards. So let's see here if I can take my little knife over here. See if I can get a look. You can take a look at some of the card art here. Ooh, nice. It's a nice linen finish on the cards. I didn't expect that. Really nice. Some nice weaponry, Cyclops, Bogdanov, futuristic weaponry. Really nice. And then we got some more. I think these are kind of levels of weaponry, like better and better. And finally up here, maybe we have the legendary weapons. I think that's what you're going to call them, maybe epic or something like that. Really nice looking, like in good quality cards. Really nice. Maybe it's like three sets, like 3 tiers of cards because the purple ones here appear to be very less of quantity. Gonna see over here what's in here. Some more cards. I'm putting this one aside. I think what we're looking at here are some player aids, maybe something like this. Also some kind of 5 to 6 players, 2 to 4 players. We'll take a look at this one later. Oh, nice card art as well, really nice. Helps me when I paint miniatures. Akari, an A and a B side. I like the customization options here, really nice. These ones could have been a little bit thicker if you ask me. There's a little bit flimsy, but you can always laminate. So that's that. And finally, we have some miniatures here, so we can take a look at them. Nice, very nice looking miniatures, sturdy, really good quality, nothing flimsy or like bent plastic or like soft plastic. Looks really nice, cool miniatures. Got another one here as well, also really nice. I'd like to paint these, definitely. Oh, and we got some kind of, oh, this, I really like this one. It's kind of like a rocket pack, like jetpack, which means you can paint flame effects as well here. So if you watched my channel before, you can see how you paint flame effects, but here you can actually paint them even more, which I really like. Really cool looking miniature. This one, I definitely think I painted this one first. And then we got another kind of miniature. I don't know if you see it. Some kind of like roguish, something like that. Let's see what else we have here. Ooh, some kind of sniper. Nice looking miniature as well. Love to paint this one here when it comes to the cape here. Nice and sturdy. And we also got this little miniature, some kind of like street samurai with a sword. Not sure if it's supposed to be bent here. Maybe it's supposed to be, I'm not sure. I'm going to consult the card art here and see if it is. But otherwise it looks really nice and good quality. So that's Neon for you. Neon, yes, Neon. So by Hobby World. So if you think this looks like a cool game for you guys, as I said, it can be played, I think it said something here, something like up to 5 to 6 players, which is nice. 2 to 6 players. So from Hobby World. So please check it out, and I'll see you next time when I'm going to be painting this one or another game. So thank you very much for watching this one, and goodbye.